Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Barry from Mitosu Crafts and I am here with you today. Going to be showing you a quick tip, showing you how to attach your stickers to your cling mount, your cling stamp sets. So these obviously are something which Stampin' Up have brought out recently over the last year or so, and the stickers are really sticky. Okay, so they actually do what they want to do. They actually cling. They are very, very sticky. So the tip which we've got for you, which I'm going to show you, is a way to help you get them out of your cases a little bit easier. Because if you stick them into your case, obviously if you do it this way, you can't see the image on it. If you put them in there and you put them straight into your case and you leave them for a long time, they tend to get very stuck and are a little bit harder to get out. So I'm going to give you a quick tip today on how to make that a little bit easier for you. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take your stickers and you want to grab your cling mount stamps. Okay, and you just want to then peel the backing off of the stamps. All right, and then you just want to then just adhere these on like so. Be very careful and sticking those on like that. All right, and you go through all of your stamps. I tend to leave them on here to start off with. I need to do it this way because that's where the light's coming from. Okay, so we're just going to go through all of these. So I picked a stamp set where there isn't too many on here, but I need to do them all for you. That's it. We will, just picked up the wrong one, that one there. So you just gently just place them over the top of this. Obviously look at the positioning and get them down. Start with one edge first, very, very gently, and then, because you've got more chance of being able to remove it if it's only a tiny bit stuck onto it rather than you have if you've got a big amount stuck on. So you just kind of just position it. Then once you're happy, then just, and I've just realised like that, I've actually just stuck that in wrong and incorrect. So, because I only did oh no, I did have it correct. It looked a bit weird. Because I only had it a tiny, tiny bit on there, I was able to bring it off again. That's it. That's that one. So most of you probably know how to attach these parts, but obviously if you don't, this is how you do it. It's a bit which is going to come afterwards, which is a bit of a time saver. So, last couple. And that one. And if you leave them on here to start off with, it's just easier to actually find, and because obviously it takes the same format with the sticker to this as well. So that's another way which is easy to identify where they actually are. All right, and the final one. Which is this one here. And there we go. All right, so that's done. This can now be chucked away. You don't need to keep hold of that unless you like saving them, but you don't actually need to keep that anymore, okay? So now you can just peel off all of your stamps like so. And then they will all have the images on the back of them, which is perfect. All right, so the next part which we're going to do is, so I'm just going to stick these down like this so they don't go anywhere. The next part, what I want to do is, now don't chuck this away, and this is the part which you're going to use. So you want to remove, again, if I can get this off of the corner. No, I'll do it from the side somewhere. So I need to get myself underneath and pull this panel off again. Don't tear it, just gently work your way to the edge, and then you'll be able to then pull the whole thing off. That's it. Okay, so this is the bit which you want. Okay, and now just stick this into your case. So you've now got the layout of all of the stamps. Okay, on the back here you've got the name of the stamp set which you've used, and now what you can do is take these and pop them back into your case. But if you offset it ever so slightly, so a little bit of the actual stamp is going to be on the white backing which you've just put back down, it will then add as a little bit of a lift for you, so you can peel it off. So when they've been in their case for a little bit of time and they haven't been used for a little while, they will come off a lot easier. Okay, so I'll show you a close-up in a moment. Last one. So you can still see the images on the back, and you can see what I mean. It's just everything's just been offset ever so slightly, so that when we come in, if you peel it from the side which has been offset, so you can see that's where it's on that side, so you peel it from this side here, it's a bit which isn't stuck down as much, so therefore it will then be a lot easier to pick up. And then when you place it back in, and it's also a great way of then actually looking at it in a glance and going, have you missed out any stamps, because they've all got their perfect place to actually go back into the case. So if, for example, that one had been missed out, at a glance I can quite easily see that I'm missing a stamp set, so I need to look around before I pack anything away to find that stamp. So there is our quick tip for you of how to mount your cling stamp sets. Okay, so thank you. I hope you enjoyed that. Let us know in the comments down below. Hit the subscribe button down below for any for future updates, inspiration and quick tips, and we will bring you some more ideas as and when we think of them. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching, and we will speak to you soon. Bye.